was yeah, brother, bright Yeboah Taylor, BYT of Kesman FM, Kesman TV. And they work from Obia of him, Obia's Ghana version today. This is 2 weeks ago. Oh, yeah, football history statistics. What other room? Say now, some game.
Well, I think game Nankasa, the whole shake game, no. I doubt the other Ghana here. Who feel say the word Panama no any a football nation, when you be there, chase Ghana bese. But when say in the 2023 CONCACAF Gold Cup, Omoko finals. In just last year, CONCACAF Nations League, Omoko finals and a Mexico share omo. And the last 22 matches, 2 matches pen on man shego. The last 12 matches, 1 game pen on man shego. Meaning say omo goal scoring side. Now over Ghana, the last half can qualify. The last 6 matches, Ghana and Timinche. The last 7 matches, you about draw 1. And even at the World Cup, the last 7 FIFA World Cup game, it fell from a year South Africa 2010 and Uruguay about draw the parity here. Ghana ran 1 match. That was our 3-2 win against South Korea. Just last 22. Now after that 1-1 against Uruguay, the penalty here. You call Brazil 3 matches, USA 2-1, Portugal 2, Germany 2-2. So you are in a match. And you call Hasuso 3 matches a boy. Omaya and the Uruguay 2-0, Portugal 3-2. And you share South Korea 3-2. So only game I are in here, no. And when said the last 10 matches, so one I will goes through. Yes, so the last 10 matches, I Ghana abono. Yenko clean sheet to a World Cup. Wow. Yeah, after beating Serbia, it was the opening match of 2010 World Cup. As a Majan Panatino. A few other matches, any soccer rules of Australia, boy, 1-1. Yes, US 2-1 or Tebacco. So, Germany, Mesuto, a group. And Sunday ever say US 2-1 or round of 16. Yes, about against quarter-final game against Uruguay. What next year? You go for land. Free kick. So 1-1. You go Brazil 3 matches a boy in about 2 to Yatinum. Portugal say Germany the 2 goals to Yatinum. And now of course US share 2 goals. Claim them see a pass and no shares first goal. So share your matches I about the last 10 matches. You go clean sheet. Wow. So what you say? And we almost scoring team almost say so. Are we going to keep a clean sheet to beat them? And as are we going to score more goals to beat them? Okay. Maybe 3 goals, but say anymore. Maybe Obibaka say you need a certain Asamoah room when you don't boost off. You need Junior Manuel go be. You need a caliber of striker. Maybe you who say or you potent and as or opportunity go machine Matthew. But hopes you need na Akwa Antoine Semenyo. But Semenyo at the Blasters is not the same Semenyo at Abia Man City. From Bournemouth, any Man City or Koye. Goals no the mind to say same as Inaki Williams. ABI Inaki kwa from not the pay unlike last time over tournament and then goals ratio also. So yeah lucky. And your best player Kudus Mohammed the last World Cup he scored 2 goals. He had MVP. What I say? Omo share your goals my at the World Cup. Obiare conspicuously missing in this particularly just say ye nyamba kokora ye call ye no kudu shego 2 Mohamed Salisu Pimbo bi say okay the last World Cup Osman Bukari scored omo nyina nka ho the day you mu a ebia omo fa ye bi omo nyina nka ho so inexperienced side Thomas Partey obebo biama ye won finfro no so akọ World Cup he is missing this particular edition so akoya atizigi so akoya Ali Disedu. But as we say, lead the way to club in your starting because Akoya Baba Raman, Ebi Omuna, the last World Cup, no more. Akoya Jordan are you, and Jordan are you, and the only player has a boost off. Say our goals in AFCON, our goals for our national team, the goals keeps on going, but only a FIFA World Cup goal, my Ghana.
Don't say World Cup goal.
I had done.
Wow, maybe I don't
get that you Muneshe. As a mother made 6 goals. Kudus made 2 goals. Kevin Prince, what time may be? So, you need a couple of players. Stephen Apiaminu Dramani. Oh, Emunina, my goals at the World Cup. Not Jordan Ayew or also by Putu Atran. But Jordan was better in our qualifiers. 14 goals contribution, 7 goals, 7 assists, including a hat trick at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium against Central African Republic. When Bufama, Omo player be super 3 goals. I share for 3 hard win. And to check it there, who said hopes Nangas our blasters, no. And this and look at our coach in terms of experience at the World Cup. We about 4 FIFA World Cup games, tournaments. What the Iran are coming or the Portugal are 2010. But as we say, we coach Ghana. No, in this role, as a coach, we coaching World Cup on we winning 3 matches at the World Cup, and we draw 4 and we lose 6. Out of 30 matches, we at the World Cup. Yeah, or the Portugal say South Korea 7. And what they Iran say Morocco. And what they Iran say winning against Wales 2-0. But only clout only so because Portugal team in 2010 when Ronaldo mu pick no. One team and former and drew baby at the World Cup. Wow. Oduwa na Spain kicking the baby after the group one ko baby. So our clout World Cup no or by record we Carlos Alberto Pereira or Brazilian we coach Ghana for the first time in 1967 as a service personnel. Our the US had the Brazil had the World Cup that our coach 6 World Cups or the China Munina could be in 2002 6 FIFA World Cups no. Coach Bola and I 5 Serbian coach into Nyamia more the Ghana boy equal but all the need to turn senior compares our coach see any their achievement why World Cup only any achievement. The best is if you qualify call the next round. By Iran Yetima, Ube Kotie, fine Iran is a teamer, who the Omo qualify World Cup. Why are there Asian region? But Iran Beba, Obey there World Cup across semi-finals. Only Binti, in all inexperience, and they coach new experience. But between the coach and the players in Tamwa, how many matches about players in Diabo? Entire team no virtually come here so omoye new guys I feel no mbebo mo baba na man na so old player no. When was the last time a ball competitive game for Ghana? Wako off in September 2023. How many years now? 3 years na ewura mu. Enti no say ba ne other players no Jonas Agete mo nyina no abepe aboahwe o. There's a chemistry in you. Chemistry in you. Wow. So how are we going to overcome your opponent? Coach this 6 years team. But I'm not for coach. What has it? 6 years in the team. 6 years. This is not 2 finals. Gold Cup, CONCACAF Nations Cup. 2 finals. 6 years. Compared to your coach, you know, plus our team. In general, cohesion, telepathy play ben Yakobo. So I know I'm a dream and wouldn't say Sagana Timisha fair enough, but it will be a difficult game, and we are lucky say static hit, you know, against Minos. So Ghanaians say omo ye mayen because Panama wako World Cup 1 pe. The only World Cup about obi a share no. Olusu the matches including Tunisia against African opposition. Tunisia beat them 2-1. So what I say 2018 Tunisia share no. Tunisia won the show be on no share. So my hopes ni say against African opposition omo share. Ntibia niama betimi akoye dia mai but against yaso no CONCACAF no US pending on about 3 matches o say ba ko ya hye ni mienu at the World Cup but baby am yam say me say referee na o say ba be di ball no European referee. Okay. European referee bia ni ye World Cup e bia yetimi a survival. Oh really? So what I say yes Czech Republic 2-0. Referee na we di no was Argentine. That's a South American. What I say was an Argentine in 2010. Yene Serbia referee odi match Yeboah no onye o free wo. So out of 8 matches referees omo free Europeans na di no na den de Ghana say betima senti me fear say as enioma bia we history no e bia engage Ghana but the only thing that guide Ghana na say 16th and then it is 16th June 17th June 2006 and a Czech Republic 2-0. Wow, that's it. It's 20 years. Wow. Permit me date natural. Okay. Yes, Czech Republic. Ethiopia, Ameba. Ghana versus Czech. Ghana versus Czech. Yeboah. And they exactly 17 years. Anyway, 17th June 2006.
20 years.
Yes, Ghana say 2-0.
Wow.
Anyway, so Argentine referee there, me friend no, yes, Elizondo. So what I say, from Argentina, and the D match na yetimi, enya 2-0 win over Czech. So what I say, so we are no guy there. And in 1996 against Tanzania, it was a World Cup qualifier. Sam Johnson to Yeboah, Augustine and from MI 2-0.
Wow.
So what I say, and that's for 30 years.
Okay.
And in 2001, so yes, a match against Lesotho.
Okay.
So out of matches I have on only Egypt Japan are saying 17th June. But not friendly match. But in competitive games, AFCON qualifies, FIFA World Cup, and the World Cup qualifies. Nina Ghana, it's me Rene. It's here be a non air guardian. But the only World Cup games you have won Wednesday, so you lose.
Wow, any day. Hey, I was here. The match is a fight. So we see a fight.
But February, not February. But you know, me wouldn't say you have 55% chance of winning. Almost 45. But almost 10 draw, and that's what I'm saying. I won't be surprised. But then I make say, yeah, they say, yes, yeah, Tima, you wouldn't so many work from first. Who was saying that the opening match, I bet you are winning opening game back up at the World Cup. You lose me and 4 now. It is a 2-0, 2-6. What I say, you call 2010, you lose your opening match. And you call Nancy as Portugal, so say opening match. So the only win is Serbia now, it's me or South Africa. But should be who's almost that 37 position in the world ranking. Yeah, was 73. What I said, almost 37. Yeah, that's 73. Yes, imagine, come up 37 plus 37, 74. Meaning is almost, and even the last month, Tanzania ranking way, but near the 74. And I yat so back. But her friendly matches here, we consider goals 6 near the NTB grants. Yes, only 3 goals near consider 11, 13. So it means and your man said, Uncle Magana previously ever called World Cup Abia, you want the energy level. Wouldn't say World Cup Ayako Biano, you prepare 3 game Ayabo, and I said warm up matches Ebobia, Ebia in your win, but we are Yabako crowing.
Friendly games are
what it was a cobalt draw. Yantian Farry 206 years will be 2010 years will be 2014 years will be as an 2022. Yes, yes, and when a free ban here from House of Folk, or we introduce you to Bobby. Yeah, many matches. Yes, I love you. Yes, we own. Yes, South Korea. Proud to prepare 3 games. But we need win. So, and you may won any Bibiano, meaning say it will be a difficult game for Ghana. But I mean, they say any Panama near me and your winner. Now you could lose the other games. There were 12 groups. There were groups. 12. You 8 as 3rd best finish.
Okay.
What I say? 84 groups spend almost 3rd place. Into me cover 1 of 32. JB first 3 points. Ebet me aboya ma ye de awuram na ebia yakọ the next one. Anya sa de a enne ye ntimi anse na nyame adom ade be chi a ye bete because ye bobo no na e de awuram 18 June. What I say ye be born 11 ye be put be 2 12 1. Say ye be put first half 12:45. Na 11:45 ni abo second half 12 and so kwa referee be to sumi ye be kwa kakra. Ansa na ye be bo eti ever say ebe pom ebe bo be 1 and ebe po data so ye wan person sa time na nyame asane aba na nyame tiba ko yes ade
ya so for na ye man for no na ni kwan so mo da wa
obi amon pae
so am sa nyame sa ne wan bobo
oh to me ne de obi awo de otimi eka e ma ne bam say football na nkasa no e wo bible
sa
oh say football we no say John the Baptist omo to chacha e na ohene ne ba no say John the Baptist omo ko te ba e ball no mo de boy say what I say nti ade bible one ka kutubo bible de enya box so games e wo bible mu dia adwuma enti say bom paye esufre nyame say yakunie nyankopon moaya omo so wo nyame enti ebi omo so ba ye omo de but ebi obi asu say ni krom nyame and oji ni enti yen ready bet mercy but to me it will be a difficult game for Ghana e be danger amaye because omo ye goal scoring country we are there the last 22 matches or so ni nyina omo she go effect from last
2 matches
omo she go 2 pen omo ntimi amfa ball anto obi atena mo ni nyina so ya
Brazil no nyina so
omo she 2 Brazil says we should 2 tiano enti yen so ye timi she go so na one of the last who say Ghana so be 4-5 I think ye go say Saudi Arabia mo 5 billion me will be yen timi say so be training consider
they are go omo she go was a
Shebro Modian. So and I say a clean sheet. You could be actually the last 10 World Cups. You could clean sheet that. It's a typical clean sheet. It has a benya draw and I say go no the ever now say ya timi abwa say anko clean sheet near ma Croatia sabebo no mo share na England so the ball to atrema Africa record at the World Cup Tunisia okwa World Cup from 78 ni the onya goalless draw boy if you by it says near there okimi ko World Cup 98 near there okwa World Cup at 12 consecutive games ni nyina consider go and the world record at the Africa yeah truly 2 because you got 10 omunya 12 and some almost say clean sheet nti ahwe na we na funu or the ball to atirema possible say Croatia the last 2 World Cups were semi-finals in 2018 Russia or finals against France in just ended 2022 in Qatar on a share Morocco semi-final third and fourth odi third man Morocco could did fourth so the last 2 World Cups look at England almost so after 66 no semi-finals why they did their bomb but recent times they are also doing well it to be a gamer sa 2 countries countries are you know mo bone be e dey amaye when na e bia ye kwakwa kosiomo but as you say enema be koye e dey amaye we first match and no say bompaye then yetimi kobo we ni elusu tu nukwa ye be pretend best na afi ya hwese ye the 3 points no e be advance and dey kosia wa ye knockout you know about draw penalty e betim kwa UEFA
and almost say third best maybe I could tell na kosia opponent the possibility over share very tough opponent so
it doesn't matter Portugal in 2016 ewo Euros qualification kroko nede oko finish third ba obeje World Cup France okay 2013 wo Turkey Ghana 20 Ghana ye koye Clifford Abuajemo goalkeeper we Felix Anane this goalkeeper Eric Oforientimo ye koye so obeka Mosiso Jemo no sa players no ye koye nemo mu ye dem ma ye di third we group on say no and 20 near 24 teams enti e den ya just yi ebi be ka ho what I say 2 na this is say 4 e be ka ho ansa na aso 16 no ni about round of 16 aso 30 ni aba and ye kwesi aye obi e di third no ye be yi Portugal na top ni group free mu refi ema France a wo say group stage no ye do semi finals ni akosia no no say ansa na ye ko di third nti esa ko say popo ba mu omo say group stage after omo defense here the third akwa Portugal defense group ya gwananti ya ka ya mesu omo say ya ma ye ko bo third and fourth aka 2009 was the first time and 2013 was the second time maybe I can under 20 World Cup it doesn't matter obi quite to be the playoff and then Portugal qualify in the group momentum by DR Congo ball confederation playoff and now about 1-1 what I say meaning say they are also some yibi e betimi aba say a fluke and a fluke baby udi you know omo ana no omo nsi na bia akodi sa but wo betima akọ baby akwa akọ show bi most of times na obi adi first no obi adi second one group o ma ko sia knockout no odi second one group ko yi do odi first ensi bebre
if you see when any problem
what I say they answer yes so you can the next one you can it will be an achievement for us because our last 2 World Cups I have Bismarck you qualify from the group stage when are your first 2 World Cups you had debutants in 2006 you qualify from your group Ecosia almighty Brazil as a defending champions after beating Germany in 2002 no amkobo on so no share 3 and 2010 so yes I qualify with a group esa to aso koyanim esa ko ekobo quarter finals nti we no there emu ayede dey am say group stages na eto aso the last 6 matches ya share 1 pair ni nyina not even a draw mo share sa
obusia it is all TV na wa fan say fala say ko sha eye easy sa
modern bra modern
goals yes me share more and am mistro no
omo share goals yes you intimi share more ti dia na be ba ye be share more near the overcome you eno na ya asem your biggest win at the World Cup say obi 3-2 yenya more goals and maybe I say check 2-0 aye 2-1 1-0 2-1 so asha 2006 the boy na you need 2-1 against US 2-0 against Czech and no pan na biggest margin you call 2010 you intimi so be 2-0 wow 1-0 against Serbia 1-1 against Australia ɛna Yeboah Yelusu to Germany ɛna yɛkɔ hyɛ US 2-1 ɛna ne Uruguay abo 2-1 ansa na yɛkɔ 2014 ɛno so yɛhyɛ 2-1 ɛna yɛbɔ 2-2 ɛna nano deɛ so yɛhyɛ South Korea 3-2 ba Uruguay hyɛ 2-0 ɛna yɛne Portugal so hyɛ 3-2 eti yangaza no yɛbɛtumi ahyɛ but ɔmo hyɛ wata yɛntimi nhyɛ obi kura bebree and Mamsan Kaventure, the last 6 matches you have on the World Cup, Ghana considered 2+. Oh, the last 6, say you call US, you call Brazil. Obia the 2 to Yatina Muravi. USA 2-1, Portugal 2-1, 2-2. Yes, Aquaha, South Korea nation or the 2 goals to Yatina. The precious, yeah, I'm punk, a corner, some of them, almost yeah, lead on 2 no more. So what I say.
Okay.
And I say uram. And I say uram. As I know your friend say, Uruguay also 2-0. Meaning that you walk up na Gazano, conceding 2. As well by another tenor. If she say, you know, it okuno obi ekwa Ghana to concede 2 no. Me sure say also no form because it has been always 2-2. The last 2 World Cups are. Yako in 6 matches, bra. The last time I considered just ago was far back in 2010 quarterfinals against Uruguay. Yaka be considered 2. Kibra heading. Ebon pa ebefa. Oh.
Right here, what of Kesman FM.